Hey everyone, it's Dylan Alcott here, NIB's Chief Motivation Officer. Now, you know food is what fuels us. The better the food, the more effective the fuel. It's that simple. But let's be real, with the cost of living going up, life getting busier, eating better can feel like a bit of a challenge, and I feel that. That's why NIB is here to help. With NIB Rewards, you can save on groceries, meal delivery services, and so much more. Plus, for eligible members, NIB offers health management programs to keep you on track. They've even got great recipes to spark some kitchen creativity, as well as tips to get you started. So whether you are fueling up for work, to have some play fun, or smashing your goals, NIB's got your back. Let's make eating well a lot easier and a lot more affordable as well. Better fuel, better you. Make sure you visit nib.com.au/year of potential to get involved, and I'll see you next month.